If you're looking for an entry-level DJI drone, you're likely considering the Mini 3 and the Flip. Both weigh under 249 grams, so recreational pilots won't need to register them. But which one is the better buy? Let's compare them across 10 key categories. Number 1. Design and portability. Both drones are foldable, but in different ways. The Mini 3's arms fold into its sides, while the Flip's propellers fold under the body, creating a flatter shape. No major advantage here, so it's a draw. Number 2. Battery life. The Mini 3 leads up to 38 minutes on a standard battery and 51 minutes with an extended one. The Flip maxes out at 31 minutes and doesn't have an extended battery option. The Mini 3 wins. Number 3. Registration and remote ID. Neither drone requires registration for recreational pilots, but for commercial pilots, the Mini 3 supports remote ID with the extended battery, while the Flip doesn't. This gives the Mini 3 a slight edge. Number 4. Camera automation and tracking. Both drones support automated camera movements, but the Flip goes further with a dedicated button for quick shots and follow me tracking, which the Mini 3 lacks. The Flip wins here. Number 5. Obstacle avoidance. The Flip comes with forward and downward obstacle sensors and propeller guards. The Mini 3 only has downward sensors, so the Flip wins easily. Number 6. Wind resistance. Both are rated for level 5 winds up to 24 miles per hour, which is standard. If you need better wind resistance, you'll have to upgrade to a larger drone, so it's a tie here. Number 7. Camera and video quality. Here's where things get interesting. The Mini 3 has a unique 90-degree rotating gimbal, perfect for 4K vertical video. The Flip can also shoot vertical, but only in 2.7K because it uses a crop sensor. The Mini 3 wins this round. However, the Flip fights back with 4K 60 HDR video, 10-bit color, and 48MP stills. The Mini 3 is limited to 4K 30, 8-bit, and 12MP stills. The Flip wins overall. Number 8. Storage. The Flip has 1.9 GB of internal storage, but that's barely usable. Both drones require a micro SD card, so this category is a draw. Number 9. Remote control and usability. Both come with the RC-N1 remote with the option to upgrade to the RC2 with a built-in screen. However, the Flip can also be controlled with just a smartphone or buttons on the drone itself. The Flip wins. Number 10. Price. The Mini 3 starts at $419 with a basic remote or $549 with the RC2. The Flip starts at $439 or $639 with the RC2. The Mini 3 wins on price. The DJI Flip takes the win overall thanks to its superior camera and obstacle avoidance. However, if you're a licensed pilot needing remote ID, the Mini 3 is the better choice. No matter which drone you choose, both are great options for beginners and content creators.